If you've ever wondered whether you can add files to favorites on OneDrive, the short answer is yes, but it depends on the version of OneDrive you're using and whether the favorites feature is available on your account. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to try it, and I'll also show you a simple backup method if you don't see the star icon. This is a super helpful trick if you want to keep important files easy to find without digging through folders every time. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick OneDrive tips and software guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser by going to onedrive.live.com. Once the page loads, sign in with your Microsoft account that contains the files you want to organize. After you're signed in, you'll be on the OneDrive home screen. From here, go to My Files, because that's where your main documents, photos, and folders are stored. Now, look through your file list and hover your mouse over the file you want to save as a favorite. In some versions of OneDrive, you may see a star icon appear next to the file. If you do, click that star icon. That action should add the file to favorites or mark it as important depending on how your OneDrive account is set up. Once starred, the file becomes much easier to access later when you need it fast. If you don't see a star icon, don't worry, because that usually means the favorites feature isn't available in your version or layout. In that case, there's still a really useful workaround you can use to keep important files organized. Click Create, then choose Folder. Give the folder a clear name like Important Files, Quick Access, or Favorites so you will instantly recognize it later. After that, select the files you want to keep easy to find. You can select one file or several files at once if you want to group them together. Once the files are selected, click Move To. A menu will appear asking where you want to send them. Choose the folder you just created, such as Important Files. This creates a simple manual favorite system inside OneDrive, and it works really well if you want to keep your most used documents in one place. Another option, if you don't want to move the files permanently, is to create a shortcut folder structure that helps you remember where everything is. But for most people, simply making an important files folder is the easiest solution. So, to recap, if you see the star icon, use it to favorite the file. If you don't see that option, create a dedicated folder and move your most important files there instead. That way you'll always have a fast, clean way to organize your OneDrive content. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next OneDrive tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.